and yoga therapist. Today we will do the yoga practice which will help you to enhance your flexibility, stamina and strength. Do your practice with lot of breath work, mindfulness, awareness and just feel the changes when you are holding your postures. And most importantly, enjoy your yoga practice and the yoga journey. Be consistent and regular with your practice because practice makes you better. And as the Zen tradition also says, you are perfect the way you are, and yet there is still a room for improvement. So let's start our today's practice. Bring both your palms together, sit up straight and tall, close your eyes, shoulders relaxed, neck is relaxed, lifting your spine up. Just bring your mind and attention to your breathing. Few times, deep breathing in and out. Inhale through your nostrils. Exhale completely. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. From here, slowly rub your palms together and put your palms onto your thighs. Feel the warmth, feel the energy, and you bring your hands down and open your eyes. Now we'll start with the shoulder rotation practice. So bring both your hands onto your shoulders, bringing your elbows closer. Inhale and let's do the rotation of the shoulder. Few times. Feel the movement, feel the energy flowing into your shoulder joints. Now let's do it anti-clockwise few times. Breathe in and you breathe out. Continue few times. Slowly relax, observe the changes. Now the next practice we will be doing is the twisting. So we will start. So bring your left leg in the front and you fold your right knee. Now from here, gently you will be twisting towards the left side. So bring your hands onto the left. Keep moving, keep twisting from your waist, and once you are in your final position, try to bring your forehead down. Stay there and breathe few times into your waist. Feel a nice deep stretch. Stay there, hold your posture and observe all the changes happening. Feel the stretch and breathe into it. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, gently lift yourself up and come up. Now we do the same on the other side. So this time, fold your right leg in the front and your left knee behind. Now, whatever leg is in the front, we will move to the same side. So from here, move to the right side. Keep moving, keep twisting as much as your body allows you to do. And once you are there in your complete twist, try to bring your forehead down and stay there.
And feel the twisting at your waist. Keep breathing and stay there. Hold your stretch. Breathe. 1, 2. If you want, with each exhalation, you can little bit move more further and deeper into your practice. Hold your stretcher. Breathe in and you breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take one more deep breath in. And from here, slowly lift yourself up
and come back to the center. Okay, now the next practice we will be doing is the butterfly posture, Baddha Konasana. So hold both your feet together, hold your feet with both your hands and pushing your knees down. We'll do a little bit of fluttering of our legs. Like the butterfly flutters the wings, we will flutter our legs. Try to push your knees down. Continue keeping your spine straight, elbows straight. Keep doing. It's a very good practice for your inner thighs, your groins, your pelvic muscles. A very good practice to reduce the menstrual pain as well. So stay there, continue. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, slowly, gently lifting your spine up, bringing your feet closer towards your inner thighs. From here, exhale. Try to go down as much as your body allows you to do. Don't force yourself. Just stay there, finding your own comfortable edge. And with each exhalation, try to go a little bit more deeper down. Pushing your thighs, feeling a nice good deep stretch in your inner thighs. Bringing your forehead closer to the feet. Stay there and hold your practice and observe all the changes happening. Stay there. Breathe in, feel the belly rising up. Breathe out, the belly goes in. Stay there. 5, 4, 3. Keep going further down with each exhalation. 2 and 1. From here, slowly inhale and you lift your head up. Nice, that's a good stretch for your inner thighs. Now from here, we move on to the next practice that will help you to enhance your flexibility. So bringing your right leg in the front, left leg is next to your right thigh. Toes are pointing towards you. We will go into Janu Sirsasana. So from here, everyone inhale. Lift your spine up, lengthen up your spine, exhale. Shift your chest and sternum in the front, go down. Again, as much as your body allows you to go down. Listen to your body, honor your body and enjoy the practice. Now once you are here into your final position, stay with it. Keep breathing deeply and observe all the changes happening. Stay there and enjoy your stretch. Breathe, everyone. Nice, long, deep breaths in and out. Stay there. Feel your belly coming closer towards your thighs. Forehead coming closer to your knees. Toes are pointing towards you. One more deep breath in. Inhale, gently looking in the front. Lifting your spine up. Lift your hands up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Now from here, go into a nice good stretch which will help you to stretch from the tip of your toes all the way up to your hands. Now toes are pointing down, taking your left hand behind your back on the floor, on the mat. Inhale, lift your right hand up, lengthen up from the right side. From here, gently, slowly. Inhale, lift your hips up, toes pointing down, pushing your chest up. You'll also feel a nice good backward bend happening here. Stay there and hold. Breathe. 5. Keep extending your hand, stretching your fingers. Stay there. 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, gently, slowly, exhale, come down, and once again go into the forward bend. One leg forward bend. Stay there and hold. Again, for a few deep breaths in and out. Going deeper into your practice, engaging your thighs and your calf muscles. From here, inhale, lift your hands up, exhale, bring your hands down. Now, whatever we did on the right, we will do the same on the left side. So this time, bring your left leg in the front, right leg coming closer to your left thigh. Left toes pointing towards you, lifting up, sitting up straight and tall. Inhale, lift your spine up, lengthen up, looking in front. Exhale, go down, bringing your hand towards your toes. Once again, listen to your body and do as much as you can. And keep going further down. Try to bring your forehead closer to the knees, holding your stretch. Breathe, everyone. Stay there. Keep extending your spine, tightening your thigh muscles, your calf muscles. Stay there. Breathe and hold your stretch. 5. Holding your stretch, feeling the changes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift your spine up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Now, once again, toes pointing down. Take your right hand this time behind your back and you lift yourself up. Extending your left hand behind, pushing your hips up, pushing your chest up. If you have neck issues, you can also look in the front. Pushing your toes towards the floor. Extending. Again, do as much as you can. Stay there and hold. Breathe. 5. Keep pushing up. 4. Enjoy that nice good stretch. And also the strengthening of your arms, your shoulders. 3. Stay there. 2. One more deep breath in. 1. Exhale. Slowly release and bring your hips down. Now once again, let's go into the forward bend, one leg forward bend. Inhale, lifting your spine up. Exhale. Go down once again as much as you can. Stay there for a few more deep breaths in and out. Enjoy the stretch. Hold your stretch. Keep going down. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. From here, lift your hands up. Exhale. Bring your hands down. Nice. Now from here, we'll come onto our knees. So come onto your knees and bringing your hands onto your back. Fingers are pointing down, supporting your lower back. Your toes can be either tippy toes, or if you want, you can just point your toes down. It depends on what you are comfortable doing with. So
So now from here we will do one hand Ushrasana camel pose. Lifting your spine up. Bring your left hand onto the left side of your waist. Lifting your right hand up. Pull yourself up from the right side. Now from here, gently pushing your hip in the front, chest in the front. Try to catch your left heel and extend from the right side. Now here, you can just bring your chin closer to the chest if you are not comfortable to let your head go down and behind. So feel free with what you feel comfortable. Keep pushing your chest and the hips in the front. Keep extending your hands. Stay there and hold your stretch. Breathe. 5, 4, 3. Keep pushing your chest. 2. And from here, 1. Gently bring yourself up. Release your hands down. Now once again, let's do it from the other side. So bring your right hand onto your right waist. Inhale. Lift your left hand up. Pull yourself from the left side before you go into the backward bend here. Now just try to catch your right heel with the right hand. Pushing your hips in the front, chest in the front. Just extend your left hand behind. Now once again, if you are not comfortable, you can bring your chin closer to the chest, keeping your neck neutral and looking in the front. But keep pushing your chest and hips in the front. Stay there. Breathe. 5. Keep extending. 4. 3. Stay there. A nice backward bend and extension of your hands. Stay there. 2. And from here, gently, slowly, inhale and exhale. Come up, release, and now you can relax in the child pose. So knees away from each other, feet together, bringing your hips to your heels. Extend your hands in the front, forehead to the floor, and you stay there. Breathe in and observe all the changes. Relax your back, breathe into your back, and stay there. After the child pose, now we will be doing a small flow. So let's all stand up in the front of the mat, both the feet little bit away from each other, stand up straight and tall, bring your hands to the Namaste position, pressing your feet into the mat, taking a deep breath in, lift your hands up into a nice backward bend, exhale, go into the forward bend. Now from here, just bend your left knee and put your left hand onto the floor. Now keep your right leg straight and you lift your right hand up. Pull yourself up, keeping the right leg straight, feeling a nice good stretch in your hamstrings and your calf muscles. Feel a nice good twisting also. From here, come back, right hand goes down. Now bend your right knee, straighten your left leg and you lift your left hand up. Lift up, feel the stretch in your left leg. Stay there, breathe and feel the twisting. From here, slowly exhale, bring your left hand back. Now from here, we go into the plank pose. So exhale and spread your palms and fingers wide. Come on the tips of your toes, keeping your wrist, elbow and your shoulder in the same line. A very good posture to strengthen your core muscles, your back, your arms and the shoulders. Now from here, let's do the side plank. So left palm onto the mat, turn your body to the left side, stretch both your legs and push your hips up, chest up, lifting your right hand up. Keep pushing up, feeling a good stretch.
and stay there and hold. Breathe. Observe the changes. Nice. From here, let's do it another side. So come back in the center and turn your body to the right side. Right palm onto the floor. Push your hips up and lift your left hand up. Look up to your left hand. Stay there. Firm and strong. Breathe. And from here, come back to the plank position. Now from the plank, go back to the downward dog. Stay there, mountain pose. Now from here, bring your legs little closer, pressing your heels into the mat. You just bring your right hand to the left ankle. Stay there and hold. Breathe. Good. Change. Bring your left hand to the right ankle. Stay there. Feel your arms, press your feet, lifting your tailbone up and come back to the mountain pose. Stay there and hold and breathe. Nice. Now from here, taking a deep breath in, lift your right leg up higher. Okay, as high as you can. And bring your right leg all the way in the front between both your hands. Now we will go into the high lunges or the crescent pose. So lift your left heel up, keeping your knee and the heel in the same line, 90 degrees. Inhale, lift yourself up. Stay there and breathe, lengthening your spine. Exhale, bring your chest to your thighs and roll your hands back. Look in front. Once again, inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, go back. Feel the strength, find the balance and the focus. Once again, breathe in, lift yourself up, stay there, hold, and from here, slowly breathe out, and you go back to the mountain pose. Stay there and breathe here. Keep pushing your tailbone up, look towards your navel. Now let's do everything from the left side also. Inhale, lift your left leg up higher. And from here, exhale, bring your left leg all the way in the front. Lifting your right heel up, balancing and focusing. Bending your front knee. Inhale, lift yourself up. Lengthen your spine. Stay there and hold. Good. Exhale. Chest to the thighs. Looking in front. Good job. Inhale. Lift up. Breathe in. Exhale. Go back again. Feel the stretch. Feel the strength. One more time. Inhale. Lift up. Hold. Breathe. And exhale. Go back to the mountain pose. Find the stillness in your posture, stillness in your mind, and feel your breath. Feel the flow of pranas into your body. Now from here, coming into the plank, go down, chin, chest, knees onto the mat, tummy and buttocks are up. Inhale, shift your chest, lift yourself up into the Bhujangasana Cobra pose. Stay there. You can bend your elbows a little bit. Collarbones expanded. Stay there. Exhale. Go back to the mountain pose. From here, inhale. Bring your right leg in the front. Left leg in the front. Just catch your toes, bringing your forehead closer to the knees. Good. Inhale. Raise yourself up. Lengthen up your spine. Look in front. Palms join together. Feel the changes. And from here, gently bring your hands down and just relax. Okay, after the standing flow, now we will just lie down onto the floor and do just few more asanas. So just lie down onto the back, stay here. Now from here, we will start. Lift your right leg up and you fold your right leg in front of your chest. Like this is called as reclined pigeon pose. Now from here, holding your knee, keep holding your right feet with the left hand. From here, gently lift your head up, chest up, and bring your hands under your cuff. Join your palms together. Lift your left leg up. Toes flexing towards you. Stay there. Feel a nice, good stretch on your hamstring muscles. Your neck is relaxed. Stay there. Keep pushing your leg closer to your chest. Hold your stretch. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, release and relax. Now we will be doing the same on the left leg. So right leg is in the front. Fold your left leg, bring it in front of your chest, pushing it closer with your right hand. Now lift your head up, chest up, and you bring your hands around your leg. Namaste position, and you lift your right leg little bit up. Keep pushing your left leg closer to your chest, feeling a nice good stretch on your hamstrings of the left leg. Stay there, tightening your thigh muscles, calf muscles. Breathe, neck is relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, gently release both your legs in the front. First you relax here, observe all the changes. Now from here, bend both your knees. Okay, now open your hands at the shoulder level. Bring your right leg over to your left knee. Now from here, bring both your feet down onto the left side, looking to the right side. So nice, good, gentle stretch and twisting of your back. Stay there, hold and breathe. Now from here, come back in the center, release and change. Left leg over to the right knee and you bring both your legs down on the right side. So the left feet is on the floor, looking onto the opposite side. If you want, you can just try to pull your left knee towards the right side with your right hand. Stay there. A nice, good, gentle stretch and twisting on your waist muscles, your back. Stay there. Breathe. And slowly from here, release and come back. Now you just lie down, relax in Shavasana, eyes closed, legs away from each other, palms facing the sky. Just observe all the changes. Feel good and happy about your practice. Breathe. Nothing to do, nothing to think about. Just relax yourself. Thank you so much for today's practice. I hope you enjoyed it. For such more videos, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for the notifications. So keep your practice regular and feel the difference. Thank you once again.